Okay, as always, when we compare one chemical to another, it has to be done mole to mole. We're given our amounts in grams, so we're going to have to do some conversions to moles. We'll need formula weights. We're also going to need a balanced chemical equation. It's a very easy equation here. It's balanced simply if all the coefficients are 1. So now we're ready to go. We'll start with our measured number that we're given in the statement of the question. We need to convert the grams of magnesium carbonate to moles of magnesium carbonate so that we can compare to moles of CO2. Now we incorporate our mole-to-mole ratio using our balanced chemical equation. And finally, we can convert from moles of CO2 to grams of CO2. We can check our units. We see grams and moles of magnesium carbonate cancel, moles of CO2 cancel. So let's get our calculator answer. After we've written down our calculator answer, we'll check our sig figs. Here's 3, here's 4. This is exact, so it doesn't affect sig figs. 4. So we're limited to 3 sig figs, and we have our answer.